Welcome back to Sparky's Tech Corner. Today we're doing another unboxing. This is off eBay. I have recently bought a Commodore 64. Well, whenever I did an unboxing on it, it did not have a power supply with it. So I went on eBay and I found a power supply relatively fair price. It comes from a eBay seller, Billy Boy Mac 1962, and it states it's working tested power supply for a Commodore 64C. It's this power supply should work for the one that I'm working with. It's a 7-pin connection. They use a 5-volt VDC and a 9-volt VAC connection going to the computer. So, the only reason why I bought this is I'm not planning on using this for the computer. There's too many reviews over these power supplies, and what I've read, they like to go out and short out the computer and take the computer with it. So, with this, I'm going to use this along with a couple other YouTubers' direction, and I'm going to design my own power supply. But regardless, I got this in the mail. I figured it would be fun to open it up. I always like to see what kind of packing and shipping that people do, and also I like to make sure that, people are honest. It's been too many times I've gone on eBay and I bought something and it's completely different from what the description was and what I actually bought. So, this is to read out the bad sellers and promote the good sellers. So, with that, I'm going to go ahead and get this unboxed. They did a good job using packing tape on it. Let's see. Sufficient use of bubble wrap, that's always good to see. Billy Boy Mac, I commend you. You did an awesome job packing this. Too many times you get packages or you buy stuff and they just throw newspaper magazines on it and go, that's good enough. And they don't care about, the product. Only thing they care about is, hey, I got rid of it, it's not my problem anymore. I don't care if it breaks, which kind of shows poor taste in treating the consumer with respect. And it looks identical. So, like I said before, it's a 117 volt AC input, 60 Hz, 40 watts TDP, and outputs two different voltages. Like I said before, it outvotes a 5 volt DC, 8.5 watts, and 9 volt AC at 9 amps. These power bricks are non-serviceable. Commodore had it in the head for whatever reason. When they built these and they assembled them, they completely filled these power supplies with epoxy. There's no screws on it. There's no way to take it out, take it apart. Nothing to do with that. So what I plan to do is first I'll do a review over this later on, and I'll probably show some of the testing methods I use whenever I go through to actually design the new power supply for this. but I'm going to go through and check with a voltmeter and with my oscilloscope the waveforms and patterns, what kind of noise is in the DC line, what kind of noise is in the AC line, and all that good stuff. It's really a simple design. The design I'm coming up with is not as simple. I'm going to be going through and showing step by step of how I designed it. I'm going to do a fast forward overview of my computer as I'm designing it on KiCad. So that ought to be a fun series once I get that up and going. So, the seller also left us a note. Let's go ahead and open this and read it. Thank you. 6/20/17. Hi, Taylor. Thank you so much for your purchase. If anything should not be the right one, please contact me through eBay. Enjoy. Always love sellers that like to give you thank yous for buying their products. So I can tell you right now, if you buy anything from Belly Boy Mac 1962 off of eBay, I guarantee you will not be disappointed. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and cut this video off here. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys again on the next one. Thank you.
Hello, I'd like to take this time and moment in this video to give out special thanks to Bully Boy Mac 1962 again for the power supply, how he packed it, the special thank you note. I really did appreciate that. That was above and beyond what he had to do. And for the speediness of the delivery, from the time I purchased it to till it got here, it only took about 3 days. So again, this is another special thank you and a positive review over Bully Boy Matt 1962 on eBay. Um, from what I could tell, he's very legitimate. He's very kind. And from what I got from his note was if there was any issue whatsoever, um, he'll make it right with you if there is. For me, there isn't. Like I said, I'm just using this power supply as a reverse engineering method so I can actually see what the original supply puts out in its waveforms through the AC and the DC currents to see if I need to do better filtering on the current forms on oscilloscope or not. So again, with that being said, thanks again, and I'll see you guys on the next one.